Race number 3. Sa Dalang Club's Leisure Park na Cavite, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best, and the race is on. Ferrari 1 final judgment promise. Okay, approved touch of gold, Mr. Saber. It's now okay, approved by about 2 lines. Final judgment promise. Touch of gold running by the race, Mr. Saber. Ferrari 1 wanna change high earnings, bahala na. And Lively Dude is running at the tail of the field, passing the last 900. Okay, approved by about 2 lines, followed by final judgment. Ferrari 1 racing on the outside, promise wanna change high earnings, and Mr. Saber running in 7th position, touch of gold 8th position. Then here comes Lively Dude as they race the last 500. Okay, approved by Alenkina. Ferrari 1 final judgment, high earnings wanna change promise as they race the last 200. Okay, approved. Ferrari 1 is on the outside, last 150. Okay, approved. Ferrari 1 to grab the lead. It's now Ferrari 1 by about 3 lengths. Okay, approved. Final judgment, and nearing the finish line, 6A Ferrari 1. Final judgment, okay, approved. High earnings